The Mazda FC RX-7 is my obtainable dream car. My actual dream car unfortunately costs about $60,000, so that's probably not going to happen. But the FC is at least possible. Now in the past several years we've seen several cars, especially Japanese cars, go way up in value. The Mark IV Supra is a perfect example of this. I mean, it went from being about $24,000 in pristine condition to $140,000 or even more. Usually it stays around $40,000. And unfortunately, the FC RX-7 isn't safe from this either. So, knowing that, what do you get if you buy the world's cheapest FC RX-7? Well, you've read the title, so you know that's exactly what I did. Now, yes, I know that you could probably technically find one for cheaper, but I'm not sure that that would really be the same, because it definitely wouldn't be in the same condition that this one is. And no, that's not good condition, but it was $1,000, and the body's there, all the other parts are there, and the engine and transmission only cost an additional $200, so it's also the world's cheapest 13B rotary engine. But let's talk about how I got it. This is Tim. And for some reason, Tim agreed to drive 5 hours with me to go pick up this car that doesn't even run. So we got up at about 7 a.m. and went over to U-Haul to pick up a trailer, hooked it up to his truck, and began our very, very long trip down. You ready to get this FC, Tim? Oh no! This will make it somewhere into the video. And just like that, after 5.5 hours of driving, a majority of it being in just a single straight line, we finally made it. Yeah, you're just giving a little bit of revs? Oh, do you see the FC? Yeah. Oh, I see an ST over there. So we checked out the FC, made sure that it was just as good as it looked in the pictures. There we go. I now own a 1988 Mazda FC RX-7. There, that's all. Then had Tim put it on his truck, and we had him tighten it down and everything because I don't know anything about towing, and Tim literally does it for a living, so I'm not gonna argue with him. Hey Tim, I don't want to worry you, but I think there's a blue Mazda tailgating us.
Yeah? Let's see if he likes this.
Uh-oh. Still there, Tim.
Oh no.
He's following us. He's gaining on us. And so we drove another 5 hours to my grandparents' house. And the body of the car has to be kept at my grandparents' house because we have an annoying HOA that doesn't allow non-running cars. It's my first time sitting in the FC. But that's fine, because I'll just work on the body of it at their house and work on the engine and transmission in my garage. Alright, it is 1 a.m. I have to get up for school in about 7 hours. But I mean, here it is. A rotary engine, transmission. These two together cost $200. So $100 engine, $100 transmission. That is insane. GR Prius right there. Hopefully I can get this running. I really hope I can. So there you have it. I now own a $1,000 1988 Mazda RX-7. Now there's definitely going to be more videos on it soon. The next video I have planned is cleaning up the body of the car, then I want to try working on the engine, maybe get it running, because I absolutely want to turn this into a road car. So please subscribe if you want to see that, because almost none of you are actually subscribed. And please go follow my Patreon, because this is absolutely not going to be a cheap project. Anyway, that's all. More coming eventually. Thank you for watching. Bye.